Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make decorative sand for your polymer clay projects. You will need translucent clay, pearl, ecru, white, and any cupcake or dough colored clay. I use my own mix because I can't find a cupcake color in any stores, but you can make your own if you'd like. I will post a link to a tutorial in the description box. You'll also need glitter. I like to use the super chunky kind and the really fine one. A plastic baggie for storage and a razor blade. Roll each color into a small ball of clay. I like to mix translucent clay in with the whites and in with the ecru. You don't have to do this step, but I like how it looks afterward. And once you have all of your colors, go ahead and start flattening them out into a really thin sheet. If it's too thick, it gets harder to cut and your fingers will get sore. Go ahead and bake these in your oven for 5 minutes. I'm going to say don't go any longer than that because you want it to be easy to cut. I like to cut it horizontally into even strips and then bunch them together and slice them all at once like this. Now they will go flying, so just be aware that that's going to happen, okay? Just take your time, it'll be okay. Once you've cut up the strips, go ahead and start chopping them up into little tiny pieces. You can make them as chunky or as thin as you'd like. Once you're done, push it over to the side and then repeat what you just did with the rest of your clay. With the pearl clay, I actually made it a little bit too thick and was struggling with this one. So the thinner you make it, the easier it is. Now that you have all of your colors chopped up, go ahead and mix them all together. Now you can do whatever ratio you like. I just went ahead and mixed all of my piles. If you like a more yellow, sandy color, you can add more ecru in. Once it's all mixed, go ahead and put your sand in your plastic baggie. Now go ahead and add your glitter. You can add as much as you'd like or as little as you'd like. I think I added a little bit too much. Now add in your chunky glitter. Then seal your baggie and mix it up. You don't have to use the same colors that I used. If you want it to be darker, you can use blacks or browns for a soil or dirt. That works too. You can even mix in little micro marbles like I did here. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, just be creative. And there you go. Now you have your own sand to decorate whatever you'd like. I have a little succulent cupcake that I will be using my sand to decorate with. And what's great about this is that it's so versatile. You can use it with so many different projects. I use it to top cupcakes with, bear cupcakes, or if you're just wanting to add a bit of texture to something, or if you're just wanting to make something pop, it works great for all kinds of things. And it's a quick and simple way to make something look cute. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. And I hope to see you in the next one.